and we start with the first question that we had. Let's see. Just tell me as soon as you're able to see the screen. Okay? Let me know. Is it visible?
I can't see the screen. No.
No.
Yes.
No? You guys cannot see. Yes, okay.
Can see.
All of you can see?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Okay. The first one that we are having here, they say calculate the answers for question 2.1 and up until 2.10, right? And the first one we are having here is that number. But before I call it, I want somebody to call it. What do we call this number?
387,213.
Perfect. 387,213 plus 299,114. 299,114. When we add them together, I'm just going to rewrite them. So we are having 387,213 and 299 plus ne 299,114. What are we having as our answer, Ria?
It's 6,863,28.
It's what?
6,863,28.
I want you to do it in that method, starting from this side, going that direction. Ne?
Okay, so the first answer is 3 plus 4. Then you'll get the answer as, okay, 3 plus 4.
Perfect.
It's 7.
Mhm.
Then you're going to say 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 7 plus 9 is, okay, 7 plus 9 is 16. Then you're going to carry the 1 over to 8. Then you're going to put 6. Then you're going to go by 8 and say 9 plus 9. Then we'll get the answer of 18. Then you carry the 1 over to the 3. Then the 3 will turn into a 4. Then after that, we're going to say 4 plus 2. Then you'll get the answer of 6.
Perfect. Did everybody get the same answer on your papers? Are you guys having the same answers?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. And let's look at 2.2, 2.2, Maham. I'm gonna rewrite I'm gonna rewrite this, Maham, for you to answer. So we have 602,887. Okay, who called this number for us? I couldn't get that voice.
It's
Who called that number for us?
Busali.
It's Mutlali. Why am I forgetting Mutlali's voice? Okay, 351. Okay, what do we call this number? Not Mutlali, but anybody else in the lesson. How do we call this number?
It's 600 and 6,000 and two.
I'll worry.
I know. It's
okay. I'm gonna zoom this for you.
7.
Ria, are you still there? These are thousands, ne? These are hundreds, ne?
Yes.
So that means what? These are a thousand and these are hundreds. So that means this is going to be 602,887, right? Because these are hundreds and these are thousands. Also, even here, so these are thousands and these are hundreds. So it's 128,000, ne?
Yeah.
Do you get it, Ria?
Yes.
Maham, you said what's the answer? Maham?
For the question or for the number?
Yeah, the class started. Maham?
So for number
Guys, what's happening?
for number 2.2, you're gonna say 7 minus 1 equals to 6.
Oh, so it's Butlali and Maham in here. Okay, cool. I was hearing the echo, ne? So I had to do what? I had to remove the screen so that I can be able to so I can be able to see who's having their mic unmuted. Butlali, can you mute your mic? Let's hear Maham when she answer the question.
Can you hear me?
Yebo. Maham, are you still there? Maham?
For number 2.2, you're gonna say 7 minus 1 equals to 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna say 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Then you're gonna say 8 minus 3 equals to 5.
6. Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna say 2 minus 8, but you can't do that. So you're gonna borrow from the 0, but the 0 doesn't have anything, so you're gonna borrow from the 6. So then the 6 is gonna give 1. Who's the host?
Is it fine now, guys? Guys, is it okay? Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes.
Maham? Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. What do we do next? 7 minus 1 is 6.
Then you're gonna say 8 minus 5 is 3.
8 minus 5 is 3.
Then you're gonna say 8 minus 3 is 5.
8 minus 3 is 5.
Then you're gonna say 2 minus 8, but you can't do that. So then you're gonna borrow from the 0, but you're gonna, since the 0 doesn't have anything, you're gonna borrow from the 6. And then you're gonna take 1 over, and then the 0 is gonna become 10. And then the 10 gives 1, and it now becomes 9.
Perfect. 9.
And then the 2 is going to become 12.
2 is going to become a 12. Perfect.
So then you're going to say 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4.
4.
And then you're going to say 9 minus 2 equals to 7.
9 minus 2 is 7. Perfect.
And then you're going to say 5 minus 1 equals to 4.
5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Perfect, Maham. And this is absolutely correct. Is everybody getting the same, or did all of you got the same answer? Did all of you get the same answer? Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now let's look at 2.1 for 2.3. And how did you guys answer this? Let's see. Butlali, I don't think Butlali answered any question today. So let's give it to Butlali. We have 4, 2, 1, 3. Let me try to start over. 4.
Hey, Auntie, do you not know I do online math class?
Multiply. Okay. How did you do this, Butali?
I started by the I started by the 7 and I said 7 times 3 equals to 21. Then I wrote the 1 and carried the 2. Then I said 7 times 1 is, then I said 7 times 1 is 7 plus the 2 is 9.
7 times 1 is what?
7 plus the 2 that we carried is 9.
So we're having a 9.
I can't hear
Then I
you.
said
Who is it that you
7
cannot hear?
times,
Okay. 2.
then I said 7 times 2 is 14. I wrote the 4 and
I can't
carried
hear.
the 1.
14 and carried the 1. Okay. But wait,
Then
Butali, wait. Just hold on, Butali. Ria,
I
are
can't
you
hear
talking to
you.
us? You have to leave and then rejoin if you cannot hear us.
Okay.
Ne? Okay, Ria, no, not Ria, but Butali, you can continue.
Then I said 7 times 4 is 28 plus the 1 that we carry is 29.
29. Perfect.
Then I moved on to the 0 and said 0 times 4,212 is 0.
0. Okay. And then?
Then I moved on to the 1, which is also 100.
Which is a what?
Then I moved on to the 1, which is also 100.
What do I write? Do I write 100?
No, the 1 in. Yes, then I wrote 2 zeros to start with because we're multiplying it's the number by 100.
Perfect.
Then I said 1 times 3 is 3.
3.
Then I said 1 times 1 is 1.
1 times 1 is 1.
Then I said 1 times 2 is 2.
1 times 2 is 2.
Then I said 4 times 1 is 4.
4 times 1 is 4.
Then I
And
added it all together.
when you add them together, what are we having as our final answer?
As my final answer, so when you add them all together, 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 1. 9 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 9.
9.
4 plus 0 plus 3 equals to 7.
7. Perfect.
9 plus 0 plus 1 equals to 10. Subtract the 0, carry the 1. And then 2 plus 2 equals to 4, plus the 1 that we carried equals to 5.
5.
Then nothing plus 4 equals to 4. And our final answer is 450,191.
191, not 791.
Sorry?
Is
Yes,
it not?
791.
Yes, perfect. Perfect. Do we have any question here? Did everybody get the same answer?
Yes. Ma'am, I got a different answer, but I understand my mistake.
Okay, perfect. Perfect, Maham. That's perfect. Okay. As long as you get it now, that's what we want, right? And let's move to 2.4. Let's see who hasn't answered yet. Ria Old. Is Ria Old and Ria same person?
No.
No. Ria?
Yes, ma'am.
Not Ria Old, Ria New.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. I want you to answer our 2.4. How did you do it?
Ma'am, I put ma'am, first I made like brackets, like ma'am, you see the division brackets.
Okay. Just hold
And
on.
then by
Let me.
and then by the big one I have to put 8,550.
And
Then
then here
on
you
the
have
on the
250.
left I put 250. 250 cannot eat 8 because the method that I learned is that 250 cannot eat 8 because it's too small. Then we'll put a dot above 8.
Okay.
And when we move on to the next number, which is 85, 250 still won't get full with 85, so we need to put another dot.
Perfect.
And then in order to find out how much will 250 have to eat, we have to count 250, 500, 750, 1000. So 1000 is too big, so we have to go back to 750, and that will equal to 3.
3.
Then we're gonna say 3 times 250.
3 times 250. And what are we
then,
having?
then we are going to subtract them.
Minus. What is 3 multiplied by 250?
3 multiplied by 250 is 750.
750. So we're going to minus by 750. And how much are we having? What is 855 minus 750?
5 minus 0 is 5. And 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. Since now we are done subtracting, we're going to like bring down the 0 to join the sum.
We're going to bring down to 0.
Then we are going to divide again 1050 divided by 250, which will be 250, 500, 750, 1000, 1250. So it's too big, so we'll have to like go back to 4.
4.
And then we're going to multiply 4 times 250 is 1000. Then we are going to subtract 1050 minus 1000. And then we are going to start our new sum.
Okay, and which is
0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5.
5 minus 0 is 5.
0 minus 0 is 0.
0 minus 0 is 0. Perfect.
And 1 minus 1 is 0.
Is 0.
So we're going to look to the side to see if there's another number to bring down. If there is no more number to bring down, we are going to close the sum at the bottom. Then at the top, we're going to put R50, which our total answer will be 34 remainder 50.
So our answer is going to be 34 and the remainder is going to be 50.
50.
So this
Yes,
is remainder.
ma'am.
Perfect. That's amazing. Ria. Okay, do we have somebody who didn't get the same answer? If you didn't get any, if you didn't get this answer that we're having here, 34 and with the remainder of 50. If you didn't get this, do you see where you went wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have any question?
No.
No question. Okay.
Black. What do you mean black?
Guys, if you're talking, ne, you should mute your mic, ne, if you're no longer talking to us. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's go to Maham. Maham, how did you calculate for 2.5? Can you explain to us? Maham?
For 2.5, I used BODMAS. So, I said 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Then I said 15 plus 18 equals to 33. And then I said 33 minus
33.
And then I said 33 minus 9 equals to 24.
So we are having 15 plus 18 minus 9. And what is the final answer?
24.
24, that's perfect. Ria, old.
Yes.
How did you do 2.6?
Okay, so for 2.6, I look at the numerator. So by the numerator, I say 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then after that, I will put 7 on the top. Then after that, I do not change the denominator. I will just leave it as a 9.
So
Then my final answer will be 7 over 9.
7 over 9. Perfect. So you just added the numerators because they share the same denominator. So it's 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 divided by 9, which is 7 divided by 9. Did all of us get the same answer?
Yes.
Okay. Botlali 2.7, 1 over 5 plus 5 over 10.
For 2.7, the denominators are not the same. So we have to make the denominators the same. So first we have to multiply the denominator of 5 by 2. So the denominator is 10. And what we do at the bottom, we do it at the top. So then you multiply the 1 by 2 as well. And then you get your new fraction of 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10.
2 over 10 plus 5 over 10.
And then you plus the 2 and the 5, and then you get your answer of 2 over 7.
2 plus 5 over 10, which is
7
over 10.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. And this is going to be our final answer. Let's move here. Let's see who I haven't called. Maham, how are we going to do our 2.8?
You're gonna say 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. And then you're gonna do the fractions, which is 3/7 plus 4/7 is equal to 7/7, which is also equal to 1.
Okay, so you say we're going to have 8 and
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1, which is 9. 9. Did you guys get the same answer? Anybody who got
I got the right answer.
Yes.
Did you guys get a 9? All of you got a 9.
Yes.
Botlali, older, are you saying something?
No. No.
What's going on?
Okay, guys, this is not how you do it, ne? This is how you do it. I'm going to write it here. This is not how you do it, ne? I need all of you to pay attention on how we do a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So we are having, let's start with 6 and 3 over 7. Ne? So this whole thing, when you want to have like an improper fraction, or when you want to make it look like a normal number, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take 6 multiplied by 7 plus 3. So you're going to take whatever that's here, multiplied by this one plus this one. Do you guys get me?
Yes.
And so this is what you're gonna do. So Uzoti, you're going to do you're going to say 6 this 6 multiplied by 7 plus this. And how much do we get? What is 6 multiplied by 7? 6 times 7 plus 3.
42
42
plus 3 equals to 45.
plus 3 is equal to 45. So it's going to be 45 divided by 7. So the denominator will remain the same. Yeah, this is what you're going to end up having. Maham, are you still there? Plus.
Yes.
Are you still there, Maham?
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand how we did this one? How we got the 45?
I understand.
Okay, I'm happy that you understand. Now, can you tell us what we're going to have here for this one? Yeah, 2 and 4 over 7.
So you're gonna say 2 multiply by 7 plus 4.
And how much are we having?
18.
So we're having 18 over 7. So this one will remain the same, né? You don't change it. So it's if it was 4, that means even here it was gonna be 4. Né? Okay, cool. Now this is what we are having. So it's 45 divided by 7 plus 18 divided by 7. So what we're gonna do now is the same thing that you know, which is 45 plus 18 divided by 7, which is, what is 45 divided by, 45 plus 18? Is it 63? 2, 3. Is it 63, guys?
Yes.
63 divided by 7. So our answer is going to be 63 divided by 7. So you can just leave it here, or yeah, you can just leave it here. It's absolutely fine if you leave it here. Do you guys understand how we do it? Do all of you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Ria Old, are you still there?
Yes.
How did we get this 45? Ria, how did we get the 45? Okay, let's see. Botlhale, how did we get the 45?
Ma'am,
Botlhale,
we
how
said,
did we get the 45? This one.
ma'am, we multiplied 6 by 7 and added the 3.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Ma'am, we multiplied 6 by 7 and we added the 3.
Okay, so it's it's this whole number multiplied by the numerator, the denominator, sorry, plus the numerator. So it's the whole number multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator. Perfect, perfect. I think this was our last question. Yes, it was our last question. Before I end the lesson, did all of you understand everything that we did today? Or do we have somebody who needs us to revisit something that we did here? Or did you guys understand?
We understood.
Maham? You understood. Vitali, your hand is up. What's up?
Ma'am, could you please go back to number 2.5?
2.5. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't get a 24 on your side.
No, ma'am.
What did you get?
No, ma'am. I did, ma'am. I just wanted to check if we used BODMAS.
Okay. Okay. So we're having 15 plus 9 multiplied by 2 minus 9. So which one are we going to start with? Putting in mind BODMAS. What are we going to start with? Do we have brackets? What are we going to start with? Plus, multiplication, or subtraction?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So we are having what? We are having multiplication. This is, oh no. We are having, no, not division, but multiplication. And then followed by what? We also have an addition, which is addition. Let me do this. Addition. We also have subtraction. So you see, so we have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start with what? We're going to start with multiplication. So it's 9 multiplied by 8. I mean, multiplied by 2, which is 18. So it's yellow. So we're going to have 18. Now, we are having what? We are having 15 plus that minus that. And then now we can do what? We can add, ne? We can add. So it's 15 plus what? Plus 18. I think they said it's 34. Say 32. How much was it? Was it 31?
33.
33. 13. Not, oh, this is 15. Okay. 33, and then minus 9. Now you can work with the subtraction. We are done with this. We are done with this. Then the subtraction, which is 33 minus that is going to be 20. Was it 22, guys?
24.
Not 20. 24. Yeah, 24. You guys said it's 24 because one. Yeah. Yeah. So the answer is going to be, yeah, the answer is going to be 24. Do you now get it? So we made use of the BODMAS. Okay. So BODMAS, you must use BODMAS everywhere, né? Where there's multiplications, where there's subtractions, where there's additions, divisions, brackets, and all of those things. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Ma'am, I got the
Do we have
answer right.
any
I just
questions?
wanted to check if we use BODMAS.
Yes, BODMAS, you use it for as long as you see the addition, subtraction, the brackets, the division, all of those things. You must make use of BODMAS. There, the moment you are required to add, the moment you are required to divide, multiply something, subtract something, you're going to use the BODMAS. Right? Okay, do we have any
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
Are we all good? Are we all good?
Yes, we're good.
Maham, are you good? When are you guys, Maham, are you good?